Hey, we're doing the data link layer of the OSI model, and we're here to explain to you what exactly it is. The data link layer is the second layer of the OSI model, and it corresponds to the link layer of the TCP/IP model. The job of the data link model is to transfer data between adjacent hosts on a wide area network or between hosts on the same local area network. The layer contains the functional and procedural means to transfer data, which means it contains all the protocols it needs to transfer the data between hosts on a same network. Some examples of data link would be Ethernet for large local area networks or point-to-point protocol, HDLC and ADCCP for point-to-point network. Data link is only concerned with the transfer of data on a LAN. Leaving the local area network is the job of a higher level on the OSI model, meaning that the data link layer only deals with the information between hosts on a local network. Data link also contains the protocols to detect and recover from collisions on a network, meaning that if a collision were to occur between two computers on the same network, the data link layer is the one that has the protocols to deal with this collision and resolve the issue. Some protocols that operate on the data link layer are ARP, Ethernet, and Token Ring. ARP is what's used to find the MAC address of computers on a network. Ethernet is the level that is used to connect two hosts together, and the token ring network is a type of network where there's hosts all on a network, all connected, and each host, the token ring is given so one host has the rights to transfer data, and then it's passed to each host, and it's passed around the circle until so each host is allowed to communicate. The frames header also contains MAC address from the source of the destination and other layers add on to the frame if it is to go anywhere off of the LAN, meaning that the MAC address is what the data link uses to determine where it should transport packets. The data link layer does not check to be sure frames have been sent and arrived. It doesn't check to be sure frames made it to the destination or that they were sent, meaning that it's the job of higher levels on the OSI model to be sure that the packet arrives. The data link layer also has two sublayers, which will be explained by Kurt.
Hi, my name is Kurt, and I'm here to explain the sublayers of the data link. The first sublayer is the LLC. The upper layer is of the data link is OSI model. The job of the layer is to contain the multiplex capabilities to allow many different network protocols as IP, IPX, AppleTalk, DECnet coexist on a LAN and more than one host. The LLC layer also contains a flow controlled automatic repeat request, the ARQ error management mechanism. Now to explain the MAC layer. The lower layer of the data link is the MAC layer, media access control. It offers addressing and channel access control mechanisms to make it possible for many hosts to communicate over a LAN through Ethernet. The hardware that it uses MAC is called the Media Access Controller. The MAC layer acts as a full duplex channel, a LAN, and provides unicast, multicast, broadcast communication.